Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet strawberry bandana. For this tutorial, you will need 3 color of yarn, 3.5mm hook and cutler. Create a magic ring to begin. Chain 3 and this chain 3 will count as 1 double crochet. Crochet 3 more double crochet into the magic ring. When you have 4 double crochet, pull the yarn to close the magic ring. To begin new row, always chain 3 and turn your work. Make an increase in every rows of your bandana. Work double crochet into the first stitch and this is how we increase. Work 2 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And into the last stitch, work 2 double crochet. And this is how you have to increase in every starting and ending rows for your bandana. Chain 3. Increase into the same stitch. Two double crochet into the next 2 stitches. When you have 4 double crochet, change your second yarn. Crochet 6 double crochet into the same stitch for the strawberry. Insert your hook and pull the yarn in every double crochet. Once you have 6 loops on your hook, pull through all loops and slip stitch. Into the last stitch, always increase. Chain 3 and turn your work. Increase into the first stitch. Work 1 double crochet in each stitches. And make a single crochet into the slip stitch. Work 1 double crochet in each and into the last, make an increase. Chain 3. 1 double crochet each and increase on both sides. Crochet same as the previous row. Now, after working 3 rows of double crochet, we'll start making strawberry in this row. Increase into the first stitch. When you have double crochet, change the color. Work 6 double crochet into the next stitch for strawberry. 7 double crochet into the next stitches. Make strawberry into the next stitch after working 7 double crochet. Your strawberry should always start with 4 double crochet and ends with 4 double crochet. Now repeat the same process, work 3 rows of double crochet. You need to crochet the same process. I have crocheted 7 double crochet in between each strawberries. This bandana I have ended with 7 strawberries and crocheted 3 rows of double crochet. Now let's work for the borders. Chain 1 and work single crochet in each stitches. After you're done, change the yarn and single crochet. Work 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch and work 5 double crochet into the next stitch. After working 5 double crochet, skip 1 chain and single crochet into the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch and work 5 double crochet into the next stitch. After working 5 double crochet, skip 1 chain and single crochet into the next stitch. Continue doing this and complete the borders. Use 4mm hook and make 51 chains and work single crochet in each chains. Slip stitch into the stitches with your previous hook. chain 51 and work single crochet in each chains. So this is the final look. This is how your bandana will look like. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today's video. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.